One of the choppers has spotted a couple of feral bulls. Domestic cattle and feral bulls don't mix, and they're going to cause trouble for our Brumby run. One of the choppers is pushing the feral bulls into Clancy and me. When they get close enough, we'll move in fast and grab them. You got to move fast. If they spin, if they get their wind back, there's a good chance of you copping a horn through the guts. As soon as you spot him, you get a good pump on him, tire him out real quick. You got to be fast. If you get that done, he'll knock up easily. It's a lot easier to get hold of and pull down. If you muck around too much, he'll get his wind back, and then we're in some big trouble. You haven't got time to think, it's just instinct. Grab that tail, grab the head, help your mate out. All right, mate. Whoa, steady. These guys are left out here. They're going to get shot. There is a lot of inbreeding. Whoa. These horns will definitely go right through you, through your chest, through your abdomen, through your leg. A lot of power. All that power through his neck. That's a thick neck. That's all the power. And his back he uses just to thrust those horns and stick a horn straight through you. He gives us a run for our money. If they stress too much and you get them too hot, they'll die quickly. It's very important that we... This is a bull catcher. Looks a bit like the Mad Max machine. Comes with a reinforced arm, slips around the buffalo's neck just like a headlock. Big's bringing in the first mob of buffalo.
Yeah, coming in. Yeah, I got him coming.
We use another vehicle to bring the buffalo in close to me. When they get close enough, I can grab them.
You got him. Yeah, I got him, mate. Thank you. Good catch, mate. I'll bring you another one.
Once we catch the buffalo, we've got to put them on a tree and let them cool down before we can pick them up in the truck. Putting a rope around these guys' horns, you really want to be careful. Slip one of those horns through you, and it's all over. Well, the buffalo have just stuck his horn straight through the tyre. Doesn't take much. Lucky that's not one of us.